Hello, fellow English teachers, and welcome back to the Teacher Trainers channel. Today we have an exciting topic to explore, and that is the best resources for new TESOL teachers. You guys ready to level up your teaching game with some educational fun resources? Let's do it. As a teacher trainer, I often hear this question from my trainees. Mr. Warren, where do I find teaching resources for my classes? Well, guys, today I am going to share what I can. So if you are a new teacher, here is where to get started. And if you are experienced, then get ready to upgrade your extensive library of resources with even more golden nuggets. First up, we have online communities. Joining teacher forums and social media groups dedicated to TESOL or ESL can be an excellent way to connect with fellow teachers, share experiences, and gather valuable insights to a specific aspect of your teaching, or even find that perfect solution to a problem that you might be having. Besides that, you'll get that sense of belonging and possibly even make friends with people around the world who share your same passion for teaching English. Now, how to do this? Go to your desired social media platform and search ESL Teacher. It is likely that you'll see many different groups from all over the world with collections of like-minded people just like you. Find the one most suited to you and click join. People build their ideas off each other, and we teachers are the ones with all the experiences. So you are bound to find endless ideas, information, and resources right there. Next up, let's talk about professional development websites. Websites like TESOL International Association, Edutopia, and Teaching English by the British Council offer a wealth of articles, lesson plans, videos, and teaching tips. They are treasure troves of knowledge and inspiration for both new and experienced TESOL teachers. Be sure to take a bit of time to familiarize yourself with these sites because there is a lot of info in there. So filter through to find the Chinsack resources that you need. Now, let's dive into the world of podcasts. It appears podcasts are becoming more popular these days, which is great. Amazingly, this means you can learn things even while doing household chores, at the gym, or just chilling at a cafe. Podcasts like The TEFL Show, TEFLology, The Teacher's Lounge provide helpful info, interviews, and practical advice, which I like best. But wait, there's more. YouTube is a goldmine of resources for new TESOL teachers. Channels like TED-Ed, Jennifer ESL, and English with Lucy offer engaging videos on language learning, teaching techniques, and classroom management. They are like virtual mentors right at your fingertips. Of course, let's also not forget the coolest of all channels, the Teacher Trainers. What makes us so cool? We share knowledge that both of us have gathered and put into practice over the past 12 years. And yes, it is true, my co-hosts Adrian and I actually use these tips in our TESOL classes. So subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our useful videos. And let's not forget about those old school paperback books. The classic paper and ink companions that never go out of style. A couple of must-read titles for new TESOL teachers include The Practice of English Language Teaching by Jeremy Harmer and Learning Teaching by Jim Scrivener. These books provide practical guidance, insightful theories, and hands-on activities to enhance your teaching skills. Last but not least, let's not underestimate the power of laughter and creativity. Incorporating games, icebreakers, and fun activities into your lessons can create an engaging and memorable learning environment. Websites like Busy Teacher and ESL Games Plus offer a plethora of game ideas, worksheets, and interactive materials to keep your classes lively and engaging. And there you have it, my fellow English teachers, the best resources for new TESOL teachers. Remember guys, learning can be both educational and should also be fun. So explore these resources, experiment with different teaching techniques, and keep evolving as the incredible teachers that you are. By the way, all the links to the sites mentioned during this video are listed in the description, so go ahead and take a look. Thank you all for joining me today on the Teacher Trainers channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more educational and fun content. Share your favorite resources in the comments below, and let's continue to inspire and empower each other on our teaching journeys. I'm Warren Hammond. I'll see you next class.